Hey guys, it's Wayne with Family Acreage Farm. We're picking up Tina this morning. It's 7 a.m. There she is. I don't know how friendly she is. That's Tina. This is gonna be our, yeah, sure buddy. This is gonna be our protection llama. And we're getting her loaded up in the trailer here. We just gotta move some trees out of the way. And that's it. We're gonna get her and then about 2.5 hour trip to go get the sheep. All right, thank you.
I'm Nathan. We got this warm up and we have cows. And her name is Tina and we gonna name her now name. We buy her.
Y'all excited?
Yes, super excited.
Slow Bear, what do you think? Awesome. And there is Tina. There goes Tina. Oh. She's all right. Okay, let's keep going. She's a little nervous, so let's just... Hi, Tina. We love you already. Hey, everybody. It's Hillary with Family Acreage Farms. We're about to get these ewes over here and put them on the trailer. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, you can come back over now. Just buy them. Yeah, I might just get one up there. Let me see if I can get one in there. Oh, there we go. All it takes is one week to go, right? Okay.
All right, Smooth, say hello. Hello. Okay, come back here.
You want me to hold the gate or? Get out of the way in front. There we go. He's about to jump up. Oh, we got to get him there. There we go. 7, 8, 9.
There we go. Now we got 9.
Look at finding it.
We have Tina. Such a pretty girl. Yes, you are.
Alright, here they come. 9 baby little girls. They're about 6 months old. Alright. Hey baby, y'all ready? Welcome home. Wait till you see your face. Okay, come on out. Come on out, girl. Come on out. Here you go. There you go. Somebody's going to jump off and they'll all follow. Come on, guys. There you go. Check it out.
Woo! Say hello to your new home.
I think she could stand in that trailer, Hillary.
Yeah?
It's fine.
Hey,
Yeah. Like, I'm running for the hills.
there they are.
Yeah, girl, I'm tired of it.
There's our sheep and llama, royal whites, and our llama Tina. Hello, Mason.
Somebody watch the top of that trailer while I'm pulling out. Okay, I'll help you.
Mother llama beautiful white.
That llama is beautiful. Here, can you keep videoing? Watch your fingers.
They think she's our mama. They think Tina's our mama. She'll take good care of them. They don't know what to think.
Hey guys, it's Wayne with Family Acreage Farms. As you can see, we got our llama and our 9 ewes here. The ewes are about 6 to 7 months old, and we'll wind up trying to breed them come December, November. So we'll get the ram then. He's already bought and paid for, but let's go this way. I'm going to try to. So this is part of their catch pen. We threw some hay on the ground. We got more hay over here, and then you see there's a bucket over there. We put some put Timothy grass and alfalfa pellets in there, just for them to have some protein. And then this is where their shaded area is over here. So there's some more, that's alfalfa and Timothy grass. So we have our pellets here. And then they got some more hay put out. They have their water. So they're, of course, standing in the sun, probably getting a little stressed out. I'd like for them to come over here so we can go walk around behind them. And I'm not going to push them hard. I'm just going to kind of get them in this area. Mason, you want to come with me? Come stand over here with us. Because right where you're standing, they're not going to come through here. Come on. Come up to me, guys. Watch out for the fence, though. It's hot. And, of course, Tina is walking off, and hopefully the lambs will follow her. Come on, lambs. Go after Tina over there. Come on, guys. There you go. Follow your buddy. See, I like to circle. No. There you go. Nice and easy, guys. There you go, Tina. There's a shade tree there, but girl. There you go. Hey, hey, hey. That's fine. Keep it right there where you are is good. Keep pushing these lambs. The lambs will follow her. There we go. Now they got their shade and their water. There you go. They're going to check that wire real quick. I hope it stops them, because I don't want to have to chase any sheep. They're eating. Good. They're eating their feed. That's good. Timothy grass and alfalfa over there. They're all just learning where they are.
Daddy, the llama.
The llama?
Have a coat, a hot dress on there.
Yeah, she does have some heavy, heavy coat on, doesn't she? A hot dress, you said? Yeah. All right, well, that's good. I wanted just to get him over there, and now we'll go out the gate. We don't want to push him too hard. Okay? Now, you okay? Guys, stay against the fence here. Nope. It's okay, Tina. We're not after you. We'll let her be. Come on, guys. Step on up. There you go. She's still nervous. She's going to bond with those little Ewes, make best friends. Close this up. Come on. Oops, sorry, babe. We'll be checking on them. Honey. Eating some hay. Know that they're here enjoying themselves. Oh, she smells some of the feed, but she is on point, ain't she? Huh? Yeah, she's nervous. Yeah, that's all right. I don't know if she sniffed the wire yet or not. We don't want to be slamming stuff too hard here, okay? All right, now pull that toward you. Okay, there you go. Well done, Chloe. They're eating those ironweeds. She's just sniffing. See, they don't know what a rooster is, I guess. You don't like that noise.
Look at her lip kind of quivering.
She's sniffing and growling. She's not used to this at all. I don't know if she's used to Brian and Francis' grandkids.
Yeah.
Or what, but she's gonna be okay. And nobody's busting through the fence. That's what I want them, nice and calm over here, and sniff that fence and learn that that thing hurts. That's the number one thing. I want to come out here tomorrow and then still be in here. So it'll be all right. Yeah, it's okay, Tina. I know you miss home. You'll get used to it here. We'll give you a good home.
That's our adventure.
That's right. There's you some water. Ooh, num num.